Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting your business manager and ad account live. Verify your domain now so ads don't get limited. Once done, pick a single campaign objective, traffic, or conversions, because clarity directs optimization. Install the Meta Pixel on key pages and test at least one page view and one custom event in Event Manager. This is how conversion data gets tracked. Make sure billing and permissions are correct so you can launch without holds, and save a clear naming structure for later reporting. Now you build the middle of the funnel, audience and creative. You should create core audiences by interest, a custom audience from website or customer lists, and at least one lookalike, 1%, 3%. For creative, prepare 3 variants, carousel, single image, and a short video, so the algorithm has options. Then set a daily or lifetime budget and use automatic placements unless a specific placement matters. Run one a/B test at a time. For example, creative versus creative, so results are decisive and actionable. You're ready to launch. Start with a 7 to 14 day learning window and avoid making rapid changes that reset optimization. Monitor key metrics: results, cost per result, CTR, and conversion rate. Once a winner emerges, shift budget toward it. Make incremental optimizations. Tweak creative, scale budgets 20%, 30%, refine audiences. If delivery stalls, first check pixel activity, audience sizes, bid strategy, and add review status. Often a small fix like increasing audience size or switching to lowest cost unblocks performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.